Hello guys, good day and welcome to Archino's. I'm Architect Jojo. And today, narito tayo ngayon sa Taal Volcano or tinatawag na Bulkang Taal. So ito yung second of the active volcanoes dito sa Philippines, and it is located here at the Batangas City. So kita nyo yung scenery natin dito. You can see this breathtaking nature dito sa Tagaytay City. So ito yung main entrance passage going inside the picnic grove. So here, dito tayo, akyat tayo sa skywalk entrance. So you can choose itong entrance na to, and pwede rin dun sa may passage, dun sa may ilalim, dun sa area na yun. But here, we choose to go upstairs and walk here at the walkway, covered walkway. So yun yung area dito sa surrounding area. Okay, so let's walk here dito sa elevated walkway, yung skywalk. So kung ayaw mong dumaan dito, you may choose dyan sa passage na yan para makapasok ka dun sa loob. But here, isang magandang paglalakad dito, kita mo na agad, mabubview mo na agad dito yung Taal Volcano from afar. Yun. So right there, from afar, dun tayo pupunta sa pinaka-nearest na area na mabubview natin yung Taal Volcano. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa skywalk, yung elevated walkway nila dito. So you may choose to use this elevated walkway. Pwede rin doon sa baba, sa may passage na yon. But I choose to walk here kasi kita mo na agad dito yung Taal Volcano from afar. Yan. So kung muulan, meron kang shade dito kasi covered walkway siya. So here, meron namang zip line. If you want to ride a zip line, so ito yung starting point niya. So i-view natin itong magra-ride ng zip line. So, mula dyan sa line na yan, or zip line, papunta yan dun sa may tower. Yun yung pinaka-end point ng zip line. And over there, you will see the astounding Taal Volcano. So here, going around, papunta dun sa viewing deck, meron tayo ditong covered walkway. So from here, papunta doon sa viewing deck ng Taal Volcano. So dito may mga series of stalls. You can buy your pasalubong dito sa area na to. Yan, then meron ding bilihan ng mga merienda or kung nagugutom ka na. So ito na yung viewing deck dito sa area nila natin. So now, as you see here in the background, ito yung pinaka-ilalim niya. So nandito tayo ngayon sa picnic grove dito sa Tagaytay City. So you can see here the beautiful scenery of Taal Volcano or Bulkang Taal. So ito yung pinaka-crater ng volcano. Then ang Taal Volcano is the second active volcanoes here in Philippines. So you can see over here the lake, which is the Taal Volcano is seated. So ito yung breathtaking wonders of nature here in Tagaytay City, the Taal Volcano. So the Taal Volcano are surrounded with mountains. You can see near and far mountains over the area or surrounded the crater of Taal Volcano. Below, you can see here the series of cottages, which is the picnic area. Then over there, you can see also ito yung zip line. Yan, from there, pwede ka mag-zip line papunta doon. Then, this is beautiful scenery. Then you can just take time to be here to relax and see the wonders of nature here in Tagaytay City Picnic Grove. So ito yung Picnic Grove dito. So you may stay here, take time to relax and see the beautiful view of Taal Volcano. So yun, doon tayo galing. So from here, this is the view of Taal Volcano dito sa Picnic Grove. So ito yung pinakamalapit na distance na natin from the crater of Taal Volcano. Zoom pa natin yung kaya pa nating ma-zoom. Right there. Okay. Alright, so akyat na tayo. Balik na tayo dun sa upper area nung place na to. So yan, yung panoramic view natin dito sa Taal Volcano. Then going up, kung saan tayo galing, so you will just walk in this stairs. Right here. Doon tayo pupunta. So doon tayo galing kanina. Then balik na tayo ulit. Yan, ito yung, yun yung viewing deck. Doon sa part na yun, mas mataas na area siya. Then right here, balik na tayo doon sa entrance na pinanggalingan natin. So this is the surrounding of the Picnic Grove, Tagaytay City. Right there. That is the breathtaking Taal Volcano. So dito sa loob ng Picnic Grove, meron ding mga retail store na kung saan makakabili ka ng iyong mga souvenir items dito. Yan, kita nyo yung mga bags, t-shirts, chimes, keychains, everything you can choose and buy here inside of the Picnic Grove. So marami ang retail shops. Yan, mga t-shirts and mga bags, mga toys here. Meron pang magandang kites dito. Kung mahilig kayong magsaranggola. So pasok tayo dito sa isang retail shops dito sa mga souvenir items inside the Picnic Grove. So you can see on your, or you can buy here itong mga keychains, bracelet, coin purse, wallets, bags, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and itong mga rep magnet and some hats and souvenir items inside dito sa retail shops ng Picnic Grove. Yan, meron pa ditong mga chimes and everything, mga bags, shoulder bags here inside the retail shop of the Picnic Grove. Yan, so for sure, marami kayong magugustuhan at mabibili sa pag-ikot nyo dito sa mga retail shops. Alright guys, ito yung views natin or surrounding area dito sa Picnic Grove. So medyo mainit yung panahon but still you will feel the cool breeze of the air inside dito sa area nung Taal Volcano. So mag-break muna tayo, kain muna tayo dahil gutom na sa kakalakal. And also inside the Picnic Grove, may mga restaurant din na pwede mong makainan kapag nagutom ka na sa pamasyal. So right here, kung gusto nyong mag-horseback riding, pwede nyo subukan. Yan. Ito, so makakapili ka ng mga horses na gusto mong sakyan. Right there. So maaamo naman sila. So this is the breathtaking view of Taal Volcano. So it's surrounded by mountainous area and trees all around, and seated at Taal Lake. Alright guys, so I hope na nagustuhan nyo itong na-share ko sa inyo dito sa Tagaytay City. Ito'y isang highland, kaya malamig ang klima, and you can feel the cool breeze of this place, Taal Volcano. So this is the wonders of nature na nandito ngayon sa Tagaytay City, at may enjoy mo while you're here and staying here in this picnic group Tagaytay. Alright guys, sa mga susunod natin mga videos, please do like, subscribe, and follow me para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos na i-upload. Again, I'm Architect Jojo Pompeo, sharing with you Taal Volcano here in Tagaytay City. Thank you very much and God bless you.